My name is Kathleen Kennedy. I'm the Director of Culinary Innovation, otherwise known as the corporate chef for Marco's Franchising, which is all over America. We have 1,200 locations, and Toledo, Ohio is where our headquarters is. This is such an interesting show. Our founder is from Italy, and everything we develop has to be inspired by Italy. So to come to Italy and see all of what's going on here is so much more refreshing and applicable than when I go to the restaurant show in Chicago, for instance. At SIGEP, I've really enjoyed, making friends and meeting some vendors that I could do business with back in America that will help me bring trends that are Italian-inspired to America. So SIGEP has been very helpful, and I really appreciate being part of it. It's much bigger, and it has the European influence that things like the restaurant show in Chicago don't have. And our company is rooted in Italy. And the founder, his mother's recipes are what we are using. So to come and see other people that have such a history in Italy has been really inspiring. I am being inspired at SIGEP by different types of pizza and pinza. Pala is the one that is most interesting to me, and some of the flours as well. So I think it's things that I can do to influence pizza in America. So I'm not sure where we are yet with robots, but we keep watching robots. But how do we make it less manual? However, we want our hands on the food. So how do we get technology to help us without getting our hands away from the food, So that is what I'm looking at. Technology helps us get closer. It helps us deliver to the customer more readily, but we still need to be in love with and have passion for the food. So this year in America, it's about value. So inflation has gone up so much that we want to make sure that our customers know that we have quality, but at a value, and it's going to help their families by making this great product for them and making their lives easier. And so that's what we're looking for, things that will make their lives better and easier and more flavorful.